Welcome back to Vegan Sing. Today we're going to continue with the Indian bread series and make Garlic Naan 2.0. We've made Garlic Naan before on Vegan Sing, but today's going to be a really special recipe because we're going to get that tandoori effect. How are we going to get that effect? Well, it's going to be a hack that anyone can use. So let's get started. Aayo chaliye. Let's start off with 4 cups of bread flour. We're using that instead of all-purpose flour because it leads to better crusts that are more soft on the inside for pizzas and naans. Trust me, it's better than all-purpose flour in this situation. Try it and let me know how that turns out. Then I'm adding 1.5 cups worth of water that already has a teaspoon of yeast and a teaspoon of sugar. Make sure there's sugar because it helps with the activation of the yeast. Now we're gonna mix this with a spoon. Most Italian households would use a wooden spoon, but I'm from an Indian household and all our wooden spoons are stained with turmeric, so this is best case scenario for me. And then I'll drizzle in some olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. This will help you work the dough a little bit more. And then knead it a couple of times, then cover it up and let it rest for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead it about 10 times, then you're going to place it into an oiled bowl, which you will refrigerate overnight. This will allow for cold fermentation, which helps the dough rise. Here's the result. Looks amazing. Making garlic naan is so simple and the ingredients are just the dough, garlic, some cilantro, and olive oil. Simple. It's really surprising that it's over $6 when you buy 1 garlic naan at an Indian restaurant. This is a lot more economical, and to be honest, this result is almost as good as the restaurant, if not better. Guaranteed. Vegan Sing. Guarantee, if you know what I'm saying. The recipe is 2 parts. It's making the garlic oil and the dough into the actual naan. For the garlic oil, instead of vegan butter, since it's not accessible globally, it's accessible in the US but not in India and other places, let's just use some olive oil, mix it in with some cilantro and garlic. I roasted the garlic and it was simple as that. Then take the naan. So the way you do the naan is you take half the dough that we made the night before. We're gonna roll that into a ball and then we're gonna flatten it out and throw it on the tawa. Tawa is like a pan, a griddle type. It's called tawa in India, that's why I use that phrase a lot. So you're gonna throw on the tawa and you're just gonna cook one side completely and then you're gonna mildly cook the top side and then the magic happens. You're ready to flip once the naan starts to bubble, and then when you flip it, you only cook it for 10 seconds to get a little bit of the naan cooked. That's it. Now here's where the real magic happens, the tandoori hack. Just throw it into a convectional oven and cook it on broil for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're gonna get a result like this. It's perfect. Throw on your garlic oil, bada bing, bada boom. There's your amazing garlic naan. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. I appreciate you as always. Have a great day.